So let's use our formula. Area equals pi r squared. So let's substitute for the unknowns. We do know that pi has a definite value, a constant value. What is radius? In this case, we're given the radius, 17. So 17 times 17. I'm going to use my calculator for that. 17 times 17, 289. So my next line of working is area equals pi times 289. And I'm going to use my calculator again to multiply pi and 289. Pi times 289 gives me 907,920. 907,920. Okay, so we have to round off to 2 decimal places. There it is, that's a 0, so that's it right there. 907.92. We're talking inches. It's area, so it has to be squared. And that's complete. For this one, we have area equals pi r squared. Now, because we're looking for area of a circle, we always use the same formula. And next line of working is that. Now we have to find the radius. So here we're given the diameter. So diameter equals 26. I only need half of a diameter, right? Because 2 radiuses equal a diameter. So half of 26 is 13. So the radius is 13, and we've got to square that. So 13 times 13. Why not use our calculator? Make our lives easy. So 13, right, times 13 was 169. Brilliant. So I now can write my next line of working. So it's going to be pi times 169. So let's use our trusty calculator yet again. So 169 times pi. And we have 530.929. 530.929. I have to round it off to 2 decimal places, right? That is a 9, which means that has to become a 3. So the final answer is 530.93. Use the units of measurement, which is feet. It's area, so it has to be squared. Okay, you're getting the area, so let's use the formula. Area equals pi r squared. So let's see what we've got. So let's just write the second line. So we know we're going to have pi as a constant, and we're going to multiply by the radius squared. We just have to find out what the radius is. This is the diameter. It goes right across the circle, so we can't use the diameter directly, but we can use the diameter to give us the radius, because the radius is half of the diameter. We know the diameter is 16, so the radius must be 8 feet. So let's put 8. Now 8 times 8. We're going to need that in a minute. So area equals pi times, what was the value of 8 squared? 64. So now I can use my trusty calculator to multiply pi and 64. So let's do that. Pi times 64. And the answer is 201.0619, etc. So let's write that down. 201.061. Now remember, we have to round to 1 decimal place. So we look at this digit. It's a 1, it's a low number, so this does not change. And so the final answer is 201.06. Unit of measurement was feet, or is feet. It's area, so it has to be squared. And that's the final solution.